Let me ask you something powerful. What if I told you that every woman, no matter how strong, independent, or untouchable she appears, has hidden weaknesses? Not flaws, not failures, but subtle psychological triggers that can completely shift the way she sees you. Think about it. Have you ever seen the most guarded, confident woman suddenly melt in front of the right man? The one who seemed impossible to impress, suddenly chasing a man who knew exactly how to touch the right nerve. That isn't luck. It isn't magic. It's psychology. Most men believe attraction is random, chaotic, impossible to understand. But the truth is simpler. Women are human. And just like men, they have pressure points. Emotional shortcuts that bypass logic and go straight to the heart. Today, I'm going to reveal the 6 hidden weaknesses every man must know. Not to manipulate, not to play games, but to truly understand attraction at its core. Because once you know these, you'll never see women, or yourself, the same way again. So stay with me until the end, and if you're serious about becoming a man of depth and power, hit that like button and subscribe. This is where we go beyond surface-level advice and into the truth that actually change your life. 1. Emotional safety. Every woman, no matter how bold she appears to the world, secretly longs for a man who makes her feel safe. And not just physically safe, but emotionally safe. Most men lose attraction because they're too busy putting on a show. But women don't fall for the performer. They fall for the man who gives them space to simply be. When she feels she can drop the mask and still be accepted, she bonds deeply with him. Emotional safety builds trust. Trust creates connection, and connection is the foundation of irresistible attraction. So ask yourself, are you the man who forces her to keep the mask on, or the man who quietly allows her to take it off? 2. Confidence that doesn't break. Confidence isn't arrogance. It isn't loud bragging, it's steadiness. Picture this. She tests you with a sharp comment. She pulls back to see if you'll chase. She challenges your opinion in front of others. Most men fold, but the rare man who holds his ground calmly, who doesn't waver when challenged, instantly becomes magnetic. That quiet, unshakable confidence signals strength, stability, and leadership. It's the rock she can hold onto when everything else feels uncertain. And respect always comes before desire. 3. A man with purpose. Most men make women their mission, but deep down, a woman doesn't want to be your mission. She wants to join a man who already has one. When you live with direction, ambition, and vision, women feel it. Purpose radiates. It's like a current that pulls people in. A man with no mission depends on her for validation. A man with purpose becomes a force she wants to be close to, because she knows his fire will only elevate her. Your mission is your kingdom. If you don't have one, there's nothing for her to join. Build your kingdom, and she'll fight to enter it. 4. The subtle power of attention. Attention is currency. And just like money, its value depends on scarcity. Most men waste it by giving too much, too often, too easily. But when your attention is selective, when it feels earned, it becomes intoxicating. Imagine being in a crowded room, and for one brief moment, your eyes lock on hers with complete focus. That single moment will stay in her mind longer than 100 casual compliments. Rare attention is powerful attention, and women chase what feels valuable. 5. Mystery and unpredictability. Stability is attractive, yes, but desire thrives on mystery. If every word, every action, every text is predictable, attraction fades. But when you leave something unsaid, when you let her wonder what's behind your calm smile, curiosity takes over. And curiosity is addictive. Think of yourself as a book revealed chapter by chapter, not all at once. The man she can't fully figure out is the man she can't stop thinking about. 6. Emotional leadership. Women are emotional creatures. Their moods shift like waves. Most men get pulled under, reacting to every tide. But the rare man? He becomes her anchor. He doesn't ignore her feelings. He hears them, feels them, but stays grounded. He steadies her storm instead of drowning in it. This is emotional leadership. And when a woman feels guided, protected, and safe on this level, she's drawn in deeper than she can resist. Looks fade. Money impresses, but doesn't last. But a man who leads emotionally, that's rare. And rare is irresistible. Put all six together, and here's what you get. You create emotional safety. You stand unshakably confident. You live with purpose. You give rare, valuable attention. You add mystery and unpredictability. You lead emotionally. Women can resist looks, money, even charm. But they cannot resist the man who touches all six of these weaknesses at the core. That man doesn't chase, he doesn't beg, he simply becomes. So ask yourself, are you going to keep guessing, or are you going to embody these truths and become unforgettable? Remember this, don't chase, become. Because when you become a man of depth, purpose, and quiet confidence, she doesn't just notice you, she chases you. And the world itself starts to chase you too. If this spoke to you, hit like and subscribe for more strategies that give you the edge in life, in love, and in becoming the man you are meant to be.